Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update your GPU drivers and Windows, and free at least 20% disk space so the game can write temporary files. Once done, gather crash artifacts, Fortnite logs, a DXDiag snapshot, and the event viewer time ranges, because they tell you exactly when and why the crash occurred. Now disable overlays and background recording. These often inject hooks that cause instability, and turning them off isolates the game process so you can test reliably. Next, verify the game files in the Epic Games launcher. Choose Repair to replace corrupted files. Then run Fortnite on the lowest settings, windowed mode, and without mods to see if the crash persists. This isolates graphics or content issues. Simultaneously, monitor RAM and CPU temperatures and run a GPU memory test, because overheating or faulty RAM often triggers crashes. If you find driver conflicts, perform a clean driver uninstall and fresh install to remove lingering driver-level problems. To finalize, reinstall Visual C++ runtimes, DirectX, and NET redistributables because missing or corrupted runtimes commonly cause crashes. If problems continue, create a fresh Windows user profile or fully uninstall and reinstall Fortnite to remove profile-level corruption. Make sure to retest after each change so you know what fixed it. If the crash remains, collect logs, include a DXDiag and exact crash timestamps, and submit to Epic. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.